Happy Monday, y'all. I have to give y'all a update today so y'all can see how beautiful these flowers are on this squash. Let's go to the other side. Look at that, nice and yellow. Very, very, very deep yellow. Very beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look at that one over there. Ah, man, that is nice. That's going to attract some bees and wasps. Yeah, that is very, very pretty. Even the cucumbers, right? See any flowers on there? No flowers on the zucchini. But anyway, let me see here. Yeah, look at those yellow flowers. This on these cucumbers, on the cucumber plant. Flowers everywhere. It's not very hot today. Actually, it's in the mid 70s, which is not bad weather. I like this weather. Still warm enough for the plants to thrive and grow. You can feel the leaves, and the leaves feel very healthy. They're not limp or withered up from the extremely hot weather, three-digit weather. Now I've seen 4 watermelons total. Can't remember where I seen them at, but I do have this one to show y'all again. These vines are crazy long. Look at that shit. Alright. This vine goes all the way. Make sure I don't break anything. Maybe a watermelon on that. Look at that. We're on the fence. We're touching the fence now. That is crazy. Oh, that watermelon is right there. There's one going on right there. So I gotta be very careful with it. There could be another one there. You know, it's a female. That's a female flower. I'll move that back around later. Anyway, so check out this vine. Now, this vine here is very, very long. This thing reaches way over to the other side of the garden. Yeah, the plants are growing very well. Very well. All right, let's look at this watermelon again today. Like I say, again today is July 27th on a Monday morning. It's about five or 6 days of growth. About 5 or 6 days of growth. Okay. Five or 6 days of growth. Look at this guy here standing up nice and tall, ain't he? Wow, look at this cucumber plant. This cucumber plant is very tall, man. Very tall, y'all. Zoom in thing. Come on. There you go. Get in there. Okay, so yeah. Some of them I notice are getting so tall that they're falling down. I decided I'm going to clean up the garden here, right? See these leaves here, dead leaves. They've done their job, you know, put nutrients into the ground. But anyway, these leaves, right? I noticed that, of course, not spiders, but ants, they get up under the leaves and start building nests. That's how they like to stay warm. And they also prevent from direct sunlight or sun radiation. So they get up under leaves to protect themselves. The ants is a pretty decent thing to have in the garden. I think too much of them is bad, but all insects has a purpose. Such as I noticed, like some ants kind of, you know, eat worms. So although some worms, like earthworms, are healthy for your garden, all worms, unfortunately, is not. Especially things like caterpillars. No, you don't want those in the garden. Okay, let's look at these beans here. Yeah, these beans are looking very nice. I don't think these beans like this extremely hot weather. They like sunlight, but not extremely hot weather. Because if you look at the foliage today, the foliage look very green. Even this side of the garden here, everything looks very green, right? And we've been having, I don't want to say cooler weather, but it hadn't been as hot over the last 3 days. At first we was in the triple digits like 101 to 105 degrees. Now we're working with about between the mid 70s and the low 90s, and they've been doing real good. All the plants has been doing very well. This is my sweet potato plant, looking very beautiful. Wow, that's very attractive. That is very attractive. Man, now you see why a lot of people use sweet potato plants as like house plants to decorate the home. And of course, until they get too long. They started out purple, like this, or whatever color you want to call it, like an off purple. And then they got like, you know, like a greenish purple looking. And then this is just another stage here, which is like green. I guess they get greener the more mature they get. Okay, so we know the sweet potatoes are doing very well because look at all the leaves. The foliage is very healthy, no discoloration, anything like that. So everything is doing very good. Of course, like I say, man, this watermelon, this thing is a beast. This watermelon patch is a straight up beast. That is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm loving the way this garden is looking. I'm loving it. I'm loving the way it's looking. Look at it. Look at it. Well, all right, y'all. I thought I'd just give y'all a quick update at this garden today. It's back on out. It's back on out. All right. Oh, y'all. Y'all be good, and I'll see y'all on the next update. All right, now. Be good.